What's going on, everyone? This is Tim Reviews Everything. If you're new to the channel, I welcome you. If you're not a subscriber, if you could do that, I'd really appreciate it. Navigate my playlist is the easiest way to go through my reviews that I have done in the past because I do carry on two subjects on this channel. So definitely check out my playlist and look at all my reviews. Today, I'm reviewing the 28-inch Blackstone Griddle. I've had this for a little over a year now. Definitely shop around, guys. Home Depot has it for $259. Amazon, Prime shipping, free shipping, $265. I bet you're paying for the shipping price in that. And Walmart was the cheapest place I could find it last year when I bought it. And it is also the cheapest place I could find it right now. And it's at the same price that I paid for it last year, $227. And that comes with no lid. Over $100 for a lid. On Amazon, over $100 for a lid on Walmart. My opinion, the only way you really need a lid is for storage reasons because you want to cover it while you store it. That's totally up to you. You know, maybe you're leaving it outside and you want to put a cover over it. Mine personally, I put it in the garage, so I really could care less about having a lid. And for cooking reasons, I bought that lid right there. I bought this at Walmart for 20 bucks and it does just fine. And as you can see on this picture right here, it covers most of the grill and it leaves some open so I can cook stuff that I don't want covered up. So this lid is perfect. That's all I needed for $20 and not over $100. So I just want to show that picture right there. Now, as you can see also in this picture, you want to try to get this level whenever you're cooking because you can see the juice is gathering over there. I actually did this on purpose. So when I clean the grill with water, I see which way the water's or the stuff's going because I want to be able to have juices go over towards the chicken, as you can see right there, not on my burgers. So I actually mess around in the driveway to see where, you know, how it's going to run. So with that being said, those are the prices. Now the accessories, you could get, you don't have to get Blackstone accessories. As you can see right here, this griddle set right here is on Amazon for $37. You know, you could get yourself a whole little kit. Amazon does carry a lot of the Blackstone accessories as well. This is one thing that you definitely need. I just went out and bought this. This was like $10 or something like that at Walmart. I got this at Walmart. You need a good scraper for this grill. I was using the end of one of these things. Not a good idea. You need to get yourself a good scraper. So I did get the Blackstone scraper for this. I highly recommend it because you do got to scrape this to clean it. With that being said, the tins, you know, for the grease trap in the back, Walmart 30 pack, $14. I'm sorry, Amazon, but I'm sure they have them at Walmart as well. But definitely nice to have these tins. That way you could just pick it up whenever, you know, the grease gets all warm, you know, cooled down and everything. You could just throw it away. Guys, cleaning this thing, all right? It just seems like when you go on YouTube, everyone got this extravagant way they like to clean their griddle. Someone at work told me use water, and they were right. So this is what my griddle looked like when I first pulled it off for the beginning of the season, this season. So I stored it in the garage. I cleaned it before I put it in the garage, and then over winter, fall, all that, whatever, we weren't using it. This is what it looked like when I pulled it out. It gets rusty. It's a griddle. It's going to have steam coming up whenever you pour your water on. And I used a napkin, or a paper towel rather, a white paper towel, and I just keep going back and forth cleaning it. And I do that until I see no more rust on the paper towel. And that's where I got it right there, okay? You do not have to get crazy with trying to clean this thing. Hot tap water, pour it on the griddle while it's heated up. You want to heat up your griddle while you do it, and then just clean it with water. We don't have to get fancy with all these cleaners and stuff like that. In my opinion, water does the trick. So that's how clean I got it, with just cleaning with water. Like I said, I did it until I saw no more rust on my paper towel. And then here it is seasoned with some oil on there, season it up, and now I'm ready to cook. So the first picture I want to show you is right here. We got self-made burgers. I put them on there. You can fit as many as you want on there, you know, self-made burgers. But the frozen patties, as you see in this picture right here, I got 15 on here. Now, I highly recommend, if you're putting frozen, you know, the frozen patties you buy in boxes at the store, definitely thaw them out before you put them on here. The first time I cooked on here and I put frozen patties on, they were really red on the inside. So, but now what I do is I just put them out on a plate, some wax paper, let them thaw out, and then I cook them on here. They cook quick, guys. You can literally cook 15 burgers in a matter of probably 10 minutes. And with that being said, guys, a 28-inch griddle is plenty big. I have a charcoal grill that I like cooking on in the back. Sometimes I will move to that. But man, when we have family functions over our house and we got 30-some people that we're cooking for, I need to cook quick. I don't want to be standing over a grill the whole time. I want to go enjoy myself. And with the charcoal grill, that's what I did. I used to sit there and cook all the time, and I wasn't able to enjoy myself. This griddle it's a game changer for whenever you have family over and you're trying to have a nice cookout. We will be using this multiple times more. I love this griddle. Anything over 28 inches, in my opinion, is overkill. This thing is plenty big for cooking out for 30, 40 people. Unless you are hosting 100 people, then maybe you want to go for something bigger. But yeah, guys, 28-inch griddle, perfect size, really good in price, easy to assemble. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Any questions, leave in the comment section below. Guys, give me a thumbs up for the video if you enjoyed the review, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.